Hello. In this video, I'm gonna do exactly what I did in the previous video. I have my pair of simultaneous equations, but I need to rearrange and then solve using the method of elimination. I am going to keep my variables on the left hand side. So I keep 8x where it is, so I do not change the sign. All right, I take across 3y, but 3y was a negative, so it's gonna become a positive. Because I am not moving 8, it remains a positive. This is called my equation 1. Let us look at the second equation. We have 5x. I'm gonna bring across my 3y now. Notice it's a positive in this case. When it goes across the equal sign, it becomes a negative. And I keep my 5. This is called my equation 2. Look carefully, I can easily solve this equation as well. My x's are not of the same value, so I'm not gonna eliminate x, but my y's are of the same value. They go in different directions. So, remember what I said in the previous video? When the signs are different, we add. Or we will say, what do I do with these two numbers to get 0? Positive 3 and negative 3, we add them to get 0. Or how do I get to eliminate them? The only way we can eliminate them is by adding. So we add throughout our like terms. 8x plus 5x is 13x. 3y minus 3y is 0, so that cancels itself. 8 plus 5 is 13. I now solve for my unknown, which is x. So I divide both sides by 13 because I need a value for x. So in this case, x is equal to 1. Let us look at the y. We substitute x is equal to 1 in any of our equations. I'm going to use equation 1. Good. Now using equation 1, I am substituting x equals to 1. So I have 8 and then I have x. So I'm going to multiply 8 by 1. 8 is multiplied by 1. Then I'm adding 3y and all of that is equal to 8. 8 by 1 is 8. So I keep my unknown, my y on this side. I rewrite my 8 and I take this 8 across. Note this 8 is a positive here. So when it goes across, it's going to become a negative. 3y is equal to 8 minus 8 is 0. 8 minus 8 is going to give us 0. And then we divide by 3. Good? So we're dividing both sides by 3. 3 into itself is 1. Therefore, y is equal to 0 divided by 3 is 0. So in the end, we will say x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0. You must have two answers, one for x and one for y. Review this question, take your time. Look at the way in which I rearranged, and then I used the method of elimination to find a value for x and a value for y. And remember, practice makes perfect, or practice leads to perfection. Practice, practice, practice. Enjoy.